yeah, that won't start until next week, so stay tuned for that. Oh, where's the water? Yeah, MK has fireworks every night, but we're talking about Disneyland. Disneyland doesn't. It's only on the weekends, apparently? I was like, what? Strange. We'll be in California for the week. So we're leaving Saturday here, and then we'll be leaving California next Sunday. We'll be back on Monday to Magic Kingdom. And then there's a lot of things happening end of March. I know we have a lot of friends coming. We have some Pocket Fam coming. We got the very end of March, so like April 1st, 2nd and 3rd and 4th are going to be super busy. 3rd and 4th. 3rd is the last day of Happily Ever After. And then 4th is the beginning of Tron. So Tron is the 4th. 2nd is the last day of Harmonious, so we'll be there for that too. And then 1st there isn't... Oh, 1st we're going to have a special. We're going to have a special Disney Morning Walk and Talk on a Saturday. I'm going to tell you 859 now. The 1st is going to be a walk and talk. But don't worry, this is going to be the last time I mention it. So, yes. Yeah, so that weekend's going to be wild. So anyone coming here that weekend, prepare. Bring your patience pants, because that weekend is going to be crazy. Like, absolutely full banana pants mode crazy. TikTok. Oh, TikTok cares. I just got a notification. Great job. You've gone live for 90 minutes. Don't forget to take a break. All right, guys, I'm taking a break. Imagine. April 1st. That first weekend of everything. So Tron open. You'll be there 1 through 9? Well, good luck. There are no breaks. Our breaks starts when the live ends. Time apparently is 9:43. Yeah, it's gonna be spring break. Yeah, it's crazy. I'm excited for what? I'm excited for Magic Kingdom on the 4th, but it's gonna be bonkers. It's literally pushed to the absolute limit. So if you want to see what the busiest day at Magic Kingdom could possibly look like every single reservation taken, including hotel stays. But yeah, it's a pretty cool trick. Hopefully, you guys don't abuse it too much, but yeah, that's how you get it for free. I'm kidding, guys. Yeah, I walked through all the shops. I didn't see anything super new, so it's all good. Can I get a grilled cheese this early in the morning? Oh wait, let's go ride the train. I feel like, why am I walking through this crowd on purpose? I'm not robbing you of nothing. I wanted to go shopping, but there's no signal in there for whatever reason. It started, I think, the last time we were here at Magic Kingdom, it did it too. But for whatever reason, Emporium became a dead zone. But it never was. We used to go to Emporium every single stop. We don't use the Wi-Fi here. The Wi-Fi is usually pretty bad, simply because there's just so many people. They put up blockers, which doesn't make any sense. Like, why would they do that? Honestly, it's not that bad. This is not bad at all. A lot of people took last week off, or had last week off, so for the most part, they took that week and then they're here now.
I think it's up one.
Yeah, they would want to show off their merch, or like, for example, I need to call my wife for permission to buy this stuff. Give me phone signal. I don't know. It was weird. Where in Magic Kingdom is the best place for pizza? I've never had Tony's pizza. Is Tony's pizza any better? Yeah, food at MK is not... It's designed for children. So, the food is designed for children. If they redid the roof, it might have no signal. Makes sense. The roof, it might have no signal. Makes sense.
I can keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well.
Really now?
We're currently departing Main Street.
We're gonna have to look into that Magic Man Plus now.
Already, not to worry. On this train, it's never goodbye. It's always see you real soon. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las
Wait, but it's only $65, right? That doesn't make sense.
Friends, I'm so delighted you joined us today. There's nothing I enjoy more than showing folks around this Magic Kingdom, especially because it's certified proof that in these parts, dreams really do come true. See, there was a time not so long ago that I was just a young fella on Main Street with a balloon in my hand and a wish in my heart that someday I'd be the conductor of this train. And wouldn't you know it, with a bit of gumption and a dash of magic, here I am. So believe it when I say that around here, anything is possible. To compass, because that, folks, is the sound of adventure. Adventureland, I should say. Whether navigating wild jungle rivers, swashbuckling with jolly buccaneers, or even just scaling a towering treehouse, there's always plenty to explore here in Adventureland.
The Apple Watch Ultra, so you have compass.
Country Bears, this outpost is chock full of tall.
You're right. What the heck? That makes no sense.
Catch a ride on its runaway trains and you'll see why. On a more musical note, just ahead I heard some new critters are moving in and looking to make a splash. Take a listen. We're almost there.
I stand corrected. It's so weird. It takes us in a big loop around Magic Kingdom.
We've reached Frontierland Station, everyone, so sit tight and hold those horses until we've come to a complete stop. If you're disembarking, please carry your strollers all the way off the platform before the floor. That'll help make room for any new buckaroos. Watch your step now. This is Frontierland Station.
Hello, please remain seated until I give it all clear. Please remain seated until I give it all clear. Thank you. All clear, please watch your step at the exit, gather all person belonging. If you have a stroller, you may pull that stroller at this time. Thank you.
It's not that hard to buy food here at all. You can always buy food. Thank you, Hannah and Amanda, for the follow. So we got 163 new friends today. Welcome to the Pocket Fam. If you do want to help support the channel, consider subscribing. Yeah, you can use the mobile order. Honestly, if you plan ahead, if you're one of those people that does these things called planning, you can actually book dining ahead of time. What ride are you going on? We're on the train. We're so far back we can't see the queue for Tiana's Bayou Adventure. This is Disney World. If you're new here, definitely hit that follow button so you can learn more about Walt Disney World. We live stream Monday through Thursday, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Right, Joanne? The train is a vibe. I love the train. Like, I'm so happy it's back. Pro tip, if you are going to ride the train, if you're coming from from Main Street to Frontierland, sit on the right-hand side. That's where most of the stuff is. Same with from Frontierland to Fantasyland, sitting on the right-hand side. But from Fantasyland, move over to the left. Does my compass say north? Let's see. It has an arrow for north. So north is that away. And then there's west.
For our next stop, Fantasyland.
Yeah, this is an Apple Watch.
USA. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones.
How many steps? Honestly, today's gonna be very low because we've been riding a lot, but we're only at like 3 miles this morning, which is real low for us.
Those of you who've been riding with me for a spell already know how much I love minding this railroad. But for those
Raptastic, yes.
for something a bit wilder, Big Thunder Mountain is the place.
Oh wait, no, we never eat soggy waffles.
Mind of their own.
Where's the train? Where's the train? Oh! It's so good. I feel like out of those options, Roka, October. Which resort do you recommend for mid-tier? Caribbean Beach.
Entered my favorite leg of the journey. Lush wilderness.
Bye, Erica. Hope you have a great time.
Folks, we're in nature's wonderland. Isn't it something? Just think of the extraordinary things to see.
Erica, how long are you in town? Are you going to be on Epcot on Wednesday?
Hiking trails, bird
We'll be there.
calls, fireflies, and starry nights. Setting out for adventure at sunrise. And telling the tale around a campfire that night.
Port Orleans is nice, but in terms of transportation-wise, it's not the best.
My closest friends call it home. That village is a truly special place.
MD, we go live from 8ish a.m. to 11 a.m. So, another hour. Hi, Erica. Love to see you. Yeah, we'll be Wednesday at Epcot for the first day of Flower and Garden.
The enchanted forest of Fantasyland.
Secrets.
Their magic.
The first day of events are usually the best for free.
Listen. Hear that?
Because that's when all the influencers come out.
There it is! On that big metal snake!
Oh, Peter, that's not a snake.
Should be regular busy.
Train, huh? Well, I think it's finally time I trained my shadow to stay put!
Bro, cheap shot.
Hey! Get back here, Shadow! Shadow!
Oh, Miranda, I hope you feel better.
We really must find some stronger thread.
Told you it's enchanted, and not just the forest. From the tips of castle spires to the sands under the sea, magic and happily ever afters await around every corner. For some airborne acrobatics. This station is also your gateway to the rest of Fantasyland.
See the roses and the tiny tinies.
Now, please wait until the train has come to a complete stop. Gather your juggling pins, unicycles, and other belongings, and carry your strollers away from the platform before...
Thank you, Rhonda, Tiana, Sandy.
Watch your step, and thanks for traveling with us. I hope you join us
Appreciate ya.
again real soon. If you're staying aboard, our next stop is
Oh,
Main
Cassie.
Street Station.
Hope you have a nice little workout. Oh, look, it's Chip and Dale. We'll just Chip. Oh, there's Dale. Chip and Dale.
Friends, please remain seated on the train until I give you the words of all clear to this mark. Until I have done so, please remain seated. 1 second. All right, all clear. Welcome to Fantasyland.
Whoa, thank you for the paper crane.